Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove your Gmail account from your YouTube application. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So the first thing what you have to do is you'll have to make sure whether the app is updated or not. Open up your YouTube application, and after you open up, this is what the interface is going to look like. And you can see in the top right corner of your screen there is a profile icon, and once you tap on it, next interface you'll be able to see your email address. Now what you need to do is under your username, tap on manage your Google account. After you're directed to your Google account, next tap on the profile icon located in the top right, and after that once again there's a drop down menu, so tap on manage account on this device. Once you tap on manage account on this device, you'll have a list of options, and in case you have a multiple Google account, then what you need to do is right over here you have to select the account that you want to remove. And once you tap on it, on the other interface you have an option to sync account or remove account. So then you have to tap on remove account just like that, and once you tap on remove account, once again there's the confirmation, and if you're sure about it, tap on remove account, and then your Google account will be removed from your YouTube application automatically. And that is how you can remove your Google account from your YouTube application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.